In this video, we'll be printing a timetable from 1 to 10 using nested loops. So let's start off with our outer loop. So this is going to be printing out the rows. I is less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. And then we're going to do the second loop, which we will call J. Less than or equal to 10, and J plus plus. Next, we want the result of multiplication to go in a variable called result. And then we want to print out that result. So here we want to use a formatting rule saying that the first argument, which is our result, will be printed within 5 spaces, and this is right justification. If you put a minus or a flag like that, it's going to be left justified, but we'll go with right justification. For now, we can change that later if we wanted to. And then what we want to do is just print out a new line on its own, like this. Let's run our program and see what it looks like. So here is what it looks like for now, which looks good. So that's the number of spaces. If you want this to be less, you can always change it. So I'm going to change it to 4. And what it will do is it will print these numbers to the right within 4 spaces. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm going to give it back to, print it back to 5, and it's up to you to choose how many spaces you want your timetable to print out with. Now what we want to do is add a horizontal line. Add a horizontal line at the start. So I'm going to replicate this loop. Console.write. Say about 6 lines. Okay. And then what I might do is replicate this one more time in the end here and say add a horizontal line at the end. And I might just print out that new line again here and here. Let's run it and see what we get. So looks good. What we might do is add more vertical lines. Okay, so now we've got our horizontal lines. We can actually terminate those horizontal lines with a plus sign just to make it look a little bit better. So let's save and run. So yeah, so we've got our plus signs, and I might want to start my line with a plus as well. So that's a plus here. Yeah, so I think that looks better, but we want those vertical lines as well. So let's add vertical lines. Now for the vertical lines, all we need to do is just have that pipe here and a pipe here as well. So that's pretty much it for our vertical lines. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so it's not really looking good, so I might want to decrease the number of spaces that I've got. And if you want the numbers to be left justified, just put a minus sign there. Okay. So now these numbers look a bit more justified. Yeah, so I'll leave it to you, but that's pretty much our timetable. A multiplication timetable from 1 to 10 using 2 loops, and we've got horizontal lines and vertical lines to make our timetable looks better. but I'll leave it to you to decide how many spaces you'd like and how you want left or right justification. I'll leave that to you. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the future videos.